I'm Joyce McMenamin with the Speedibin Composters. This is one of our bins, and yeah, let me show you how it works. The handle locks like this, so you can keep out raccoons and dogs in the wind. And then you unlock it like that. Usually you hinge it back there. You can see the aeration around the bottom, which works like a chimney effect, so the hot air rises through your compost, so it keeps it nicely breathing. The front door slides right out, so that way it's easy to scoop out your compost when you've got it made. And there's a metal screen on the bottom. This gets held down with ground staples, and so that prevents animals from tunneling in, but it also lets the water and microbes and worms transfer through the screen. And no gaps more than 1/4 inch, so even mice can't get in. You need a 1/2 inch to keep out a rat or a 1/4 inch to keep out a mouse, because they can squeeze into the shape of their head. You can see it's a great huge opening here, so it's really easy to add stuff and to stir it around if that's what you want to do. I hope that helps. I hope that you've learned a little bit about composting. We want everyone's composting experience to be successful. So if you have any questions, any thoughts, do give me a shout. Love talking compost.